In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a mail merge document inside Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly how to generate personalized documents for multiple records in just a few clicks, using the built-in mail merge feature. Start inside Zoho CRM on the home page. This is your central hub where you can quickly jump into any module. Before you proceed, make sure you have the right permissions to use mail merge and that your templates are already set up in your organization. If you're not sure, ask your admin or confirm that a template exists for the module you'll be working in. Next, head to the Leads module. This is where we'll run the merge for this example. You'll see a list of your leads with columns like name, company, and other details. It helps to switch to the correct view or apply filters so you're only working with the records you need. Clean data makes a better merge, so quickly scan that important fields, like first name, company, or any custom fields your template uses, are filled in. Now, select the records you want to include by clicking the checkboxes next to each lead. You can pick a handful or use the header checkbox to select everything on the current page, depending on what your workflow allows. A quick tip: if your template relies on specific fields, spot check at least one or two selected records to avoid blanks in the final document. With your records selected, open the More Options menu, the three-dot icon in the toolbar above your list. This is where Zoho CRM groups additional actions that don't appear on the main buttons. Choose Mail Merge from that menu. This action prepares the system to generate documents for the records you've selected. In many setups, you'll be prompted to pick a template that's mapped to the Leads module. Use a template that references the exact field names you expect, like first name or company, to ensure the placeholders fill correctly. If you're unsure which template to use, look for a naming convention your team follows. When everything looks right, click Merge to generate the documents. Zoho CRM will create a separate document for each selected lead, pulling in their unique details from the fields in your module. Depending on your organization's configuration, you may see options to download the results or store them according to your standard process. That's it. If you don't see the Mail Merge option, check your profile permissions or confirm the feature is enabled in your CRM. Also, keep your fields tidy and templates up to date for the best results. Thanks for watching, and happy merging!